Hello everyone, this is Shivani Raghuvanshi here. Here I am to discuss about cloud provisioning. So let's begin. Now first let's discuss about what is cloud provisioning. Cloud provisioning refers to the process for the deployment and integration of cloud computing services within an enterprise's IT infrastructure. This is a broad term that incorporates the policies, procedures, and an enterprise's objectives in sourcing cloud services and solutions for a cloud service provider. Cloud provisioning is the allocation of a cloud provider's resources to a customer. When a cloud provider accepts a request from a customer, it must create the appropriate number of virtual machines and allocate resources to support them. The process is conducted in several different ways, and that ways are advanced provisioning, dynamic provisioning, and user self provisioning. The term provisioning simply means to provide. Cloud provisioning primarily defines how, what, and when an organization will provision cloud service. This service can be internal, public, or hybrid cloud product and solution. There are three different delivery models: dynamic, on demand provisioning, user provisioning, post sale advanced provisioning. Now, first, let's discuss about dynamic on demand provisioning. The customer or requesting application is provided with resource on runtime is dynamic on demand provisioning. User provisioning is the user customer add a cloud device or device themselves. Post sale advanced provisioning is the customer is provided with the resource upon contract service sign up. From a provider standpoint, cloud provisioning can include the supply and assignment of required cloud resources to the customer. For example, the certain of virtual machine, the allocation of storage capacity and or granting access to cloud software. Now let us discuss about what is cloud provisioning software. Involves the following IT activities. First, it is security and compliance, backup and storage, code deployment, changes to setting and configuration. Ready to dive in and automate your cloud deployment? Just purchasing cloud provisioning software isn't enough. It's just one piece of the puzzle. You need personnel who can efficiently use this tool to implement automation the right way. These skills will enable you to make the most out of your cloud deployment. Now, I am here to tell you about the benefit of cloud provisioning software. So, the first benefit is businesses needed to perform network or application configuration and scale up existing system as the operating landscape changes. Cloud provisioning solution facilitates the growth of IT infrastructure. Infrastructure will scale up dynamically. Effective cloud provisioning allows you to respond to critical change promptly. Second is system that can detect and mitigate threats by auto-correcting or self-healing are for secure. As systems grow in complexity, they usually become harder to manage. Automation can help identify potential threats as they arise. Finally, cloud provisioning software helps teams to develop repeatable processes that help save time. This because there's no needs to duplicate of efforts. Private cloud. What is private cloud? A private cloud which consists of hardware, software and additional support element just like a public cloud. Now let us discuss some advantages and disadvantages about it. So first, the advantages are IT security, and guaranteed data protection. And the disadvantages are high financial cost for the provisioning of hardware and IT personnels for administration. Hybrid cloud. A hybrid cloud combines the advantages of a public cloud with those of private cloud application, which use sensitive data with regards to data protection can be operated in a private cloud while other services run in a public cloud. Advantage: mobility, flexibility, simple provisioning, data protection. Implement a hybrid cloud with one click. The plan to realize a hybrid cloud becomes a reality with one click. Worldwide available as a service, one click is a workspace. Provisioning and stream platform which allows you to deploy application and data from any server location as a stream in a central workshop in the browser. Users access their secure and mobile work environment with any device. For remote access, there is no need to install software component on a server and client or plug in from one click. On end device, the Cloud Resource Manager enables you to provide and administrate virtual machine in the data center of well-known IaaS providers directly from one click. This is why it only takes you a few clicks and the help of one click to create your own hybrid cloud infrastructure. Find out more about the one-click platform and how we, in conjunction with IT consultant Sogeti, can support you with hybrid cloud concept. Type of cloud provisioning is briefly discussed here, so let's read this and understand it. On the subject of cloud service, we differentiate between different type of cloud provisioning depending on which demand and requirement prevail. It is possible to choose between different version. Public cloud, private cloud and hybrid cloud are the options which we will present to be below. With one click, you are able to implement a hybrid cloud with only a few clicks. First, public cloud. The term public cloud describes cloud services which are made available via the internet by an external cloud service provider. It refers to the entire infrastructure environment such as hardware, software and supporting resource. These components are 100% owned and administrated by the cloud providers. Generally, a browser is required to retrieve the services and the individual account. Advantages of this are added value of cloud service, example, more mobile time independent access, no high financial investment necessary, and another one is no administration of infrastructure necessary. Now the disadvantages are data protection. Now let us discuss about a shifting in thinking towards cloud provisioning software. Automation for cloud provisioning software is more about a mind shift than it is a technology shift. For this reason, it can be hard for managers to adopt and implement automation within their organization. As a result, this is especially true when they do not fully understand how to do it successfully. It's tempting to just Google how to automate IT or check out online forms. To figure out how to go about it, this can be a solution for those who are short on time and have budgetary constraints. Another one is informal learning does have its benefits, but it may not be the right solution for your organization. For example, it's often not accurate, coherent, or prescriptive. Furthermore, the source may be unreliable. Therefore, informal learning usually lacks reinforcements through actual hand-on practice. Another one is formal learning is usually the answer to this situation. Furthermore, self-learning tools can offer on-demand and just-in-time learning for professionals looking for micro-learning and performance support on the last version of cloud provisioning software. Instructor led training, on the other hand, gives participants the ability to discuss problem, ask questions, and interact with trained professional and peers. A combination of the two can be powerful. A self-learning tool facilitates continuous learning while they learn key concept in class. In class, participants learn how to adjust to the right mindset from automation experts who have been through the process. It's normal to fear IT modernization. However, understanding the benefit that accrues from such an investment can help settle the fears. Industry experts can help make in class participants feels more comfortable with the move of automated systems. The value of provisioning expertise are as expected, there's value in investing in training that builds the provisioning skills of your existing staff. As a consequence, the more you invest in your people, the more value you're bound to add to your organization. Furthermore, employees with provisioning knowledge will have more time to focus on more valuable tasks than benefits the enterprises. As a result, your cloud deployment will be in a better position to achieve greater agility, efficiency, and effectiveness. Thank you so much for the